following the construction of our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kia Sonet, made in India for the world, inspired by India's young and passionate culture. Strong, trendy, and a design marvel.
For example, we have a long hood, we have a powerful front, powerful stance, powerful presence in the front. You have the black A-pillars that allows as well for that dynamic silhouette for the hood to seem longer for such a compact vehicle. We have these generous big volumes. You have really strong volumes over the wheel arches. So you have really compact, powerful, round. We try to evolve the Tiger nose grille to something a bit more powerful. That's why you have it has this kind of tusk-like feature to it. The headlamps, on every car, they are very important for the character of the vehicle. That's why we designed what we call the Tiger Eye line, so that you have this powerful, concentrated look. That life inside the vehicle has to be very natural, has to be very intuitive. And at the same time, you have to have a strong emotional connection to the vehicle. You live with it every day. And today, the digital aspect is very important. So that's why we designed a digital cluster, as well as a central display that may be one of the biggest in this segment. We also believe, and especially for India, climate inside, the temperature inside, the airflow inside is very, very important. That's why we have these big kind of double layer vents that allows really for ultimate comfort. So really, as you see, it's all about naturally using technology and feeling comfortable and intuitively functioning inside the vehicle.
Has taken the Indian market by storm, driving Kia Motors India to become the connected car leader. With more than 50,000 connected cars on Indian roads today.
That's great news, Mr. Shim. But how are you dealing with the rising demand in the challenging situation of COVID-19? Has this also affected the timelines of the Sonet?
Well, Angad, to meet the rising demands for Kia products, we have taken all precautions and the safety measures, ensuring the production of the new Kia Sonet remains on track. We have successfully completed the pilot production phase of Sonet. We will be ready to launch it for our Indian customers as per schedule. With our belief in the power to surprise, we are sure the new Sonet will wow India and world.
And the pride is well placed, Mr. Shim. Now tell me, is the made in India Sonet similar in quality to Kia products in developed countries?
You know, at Kia, quality is a way of life. The badge on the car is the assurance of high quality and value. Anywhere in the world where Kia cars are sold, as mentioned by Mr. Song, Kia Motors has been #1 in United States in quality for 6 years in a row, as for J.D. Power IQS study. And we are committed to provide the same global quality standards with the Sonet. Just like the Seltos and the Carnival.
Mr. Shim, we are confident that with India's new Sonnet, the love for Kia brand will be greater than ever. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Angad, and stay safe. Everyone who is watching us across the world. Dhanyawad.
Moving on, I welcome Mr. TJ Park, Executive Director and Chief Sales Officer, and Mr. Manohar Bhatt, Vice President and Head Marketing and Sales, Kia Motors India. Welcome. Firstly, congratulations, gentlemen, on the world premiere of the Sonnet. I cannot say this enough, but I'm totally wowed by the Sonnet. Kia truly does have the power to most pleasantly surprise us with amazing range of cars being launched. Mr. Park, let's start with you. The Sonnet has been creating quite a buzz since the Auto Expo in Feb. You must be thrilled that Kia is reaching out to new customers with the new Sonnet.
That's right, Angad. Our target customer is young and hard, aspirational, always connected, and appreciate the good things in life. The Sonnet is a smart urban SUV. It has striking looks, offers robust performance, and is loaded with exceptional convenience and the high-tech connectivity features. It is a great fit for the lifestyle of young, ambitious Indians.
Well, looks like you have another winner in hand. And I'm sure you must have heard it enough by now. Coming to you, Mr. Bhatt. Look, I know everybody has a very different style of driving. Like, if you take my wife, she likes an easy drive. Whereas I can speak for myself, I like to push the pedal a lot more. So what do you think? Who's suited for the Sonnet more, me or my wife?
Angad, I believe that there is a Sonnet for both you and your wife. This is because we ensured that each customer gets a wide variety to choose from, not just in terms of trim level, but also powertrain options. By offering them such a wide choice, there is a Sonnet for virtually everyone. The Sonnet will be presented with two petrol engine options, the refined SmartStream 1.2 petrol engine and the performance-oriented 1-liter turbo GDI. It will also come with a powerful yet fuel-efficient 1.5-liter diesel engine that will swallow kilometers effortlessly. Among the gearbox options, the Sonnet will feature a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed manual, a 6-speed automatic, and a 7-speed DCT. We are also extremely excited about something very new, a new 6-speed IMT.
Well, for those of us who are not very familiar with the term, IMT stands for Intelligent Manual Transmission. I just know it makes driving less stressful. So, tell us more, Mr. Bhatt.
Angad, let me ask you a question. Do you like driving an automatic or a manual option?
Well, sir, in all honesty, I prefer the manual. But, now living in Mumbai, there's so much of traffic, all you can do is drive the automatic.
Well, Angad, I'll classify you as an auto enthusiast in that case. So, okay, now imagine the experience of being in control with the gear in your hand, but still driving without using a clutch pedal constantly. That's what the IMT is all about. The Intelligent Manual Transmission is an innovative gearbox that takes away the stress of driving, yet keeps the control in the driver's hands. There is no clutch pedal, so it relieves the effort and tedium in stop-go traffic. However, since the gear shift is being done manually, it gives the driver the control for that required reassurance. Now, combined with a gasoline 1-liter turbo GDI motor, it fulfills the need of auto enthusiasts like you, as well as those seeking just a comfortable drive. To sum up, the new 6-speed IMT offers the best of both worlds, performance and comfort.
Performance and comfort. That's an unbeatable combination. Well, coming back to you, Mr. Park. You know that in today's times, customers can be very choosy. So how do you deal with that?
Of course, we have to take that into considerations. For the first time in this category, we are introducing the dual trim concept with the addition of GT Line trim. The GT Line is visible manifestations of Kia's sporty spirit and luxury appeals. The idea behind it is to attract customers who wanted the extra dash of sportiness, luxury, and attitude. And the GT Line Sonnet will have a sporty leather accent on the exterior, leather accent on front and rear bumper, leather calipers, and the GT Line badging to confirm the Sonnet aggressions. Talking about the interior, the all-black trim with the leather stitching in select areas give the cabin a sporty feel, and the alloy pedals further reinforce its sportiness. As you would expect, the The GT line is available with the performance-oriented 1.0 turbo petrol engine and the punchy and the powerful 1.5 turbo diesel.
So a lot of choices are available to fit the driving needs of individuals. I can totally imagine how cool that GT line will be. Mr. Bhatt, what about diesel customers?
Well, Angad, when we made the Sonet, we consulted with prospective and existing customers in the compact SUV segment extensively. Based on their feedback, we have decided to offer another segment first, the advanced and refined diesel automatic variant. With the diesel 6-speed 80 variant of the Sonet, customers can enjoy the convenience and comfort of an automatic with fuel efficiency and the torquiness of diesel. Let me reiterate, it is the first time in the segment something like this is being offered.
Well, that's brilliant. I know a lot of my young friends are going to love the diesel automatic. Kia has always believed that cars are no longer just modes of transport, but lifestyle spaces that consumers are spending more and more time in.
What are the other features the Sonet offers to each driving experience or the time spent in the car?
The Sonet debuts with some fascinating segment first. Some have been discussed earlier, like the Pure Air Purifier with the virus protection and the segment best 10.25-inch HD AVNT touchscreen. Additionally, the Sonet also offers remote engine start convenience even in the manual transmission. It has front parking sensors, a Bose premium 7-speaker system for an exceptional listening experience, and UO connected car features with 57 functions for safety, comfort and joy, with enhanced capabilities like over-the-air updates, voice-assisted window open function, among other things.
That staggering array of segment first. You're all set to add new members to the Kia family in India then, are you not?
Absolutely. The success of the Seltos and Carnival earned us the appreciation and the affection of customers. The two Kia models have found over 1 lakh loving homes across India, and the Kia family is still growing rapidly. With the introduction of the Sonet, Kia is sticking to its commitment of introducing a new product in India every 6 to 9 months. With the Sonet, we are more than sure to create history again.
6 to 9 months, you're moving
Yes,
at
that's
lightning
our
speed.
commitment.
Well, no doubts there. The Sonet is poised to conquer hearts. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatt and Mr. Park.
For taking time out and taking us through the lovely features of the new Sonet.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Well, and that's all we have time for. Ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media, and everyone who took time out to join us today at the world premiere of the Kia Sonet. Thank you for your support. Watch out for this wild, bold, sporty SUV and keep following Kia Motors' social media channels for further updates. From me, Angad Bedi, and everyone at Kia Motors India, thank you and goodbye.